Welcome back to this channel, guys. Today, again with a new video, and this video will unbox some rare adeniums I ordered online from a seller based on Delhi. So, this is the package he sent me, and it was sent through DTDC courier. So, you can see the conditions of this box. So, So I am, opening from wrong side itself because other side I have my address was there. That's why. So don't judge me like why his boxes are always unboxed in wrong way only. So let's see what kind of plants I ordered. I will describe it everything in this video, and I also show you how I planted it, and in last I will add some pictures so you can see how it looks, and also give me some advice, or uh, if you want to ask any question you can ask. Okay. So you can see it's look like, yeah, it's look like what is not adeniums, they are mummies, guys. He wrapped in lot of, I think it's a toilet paper or tissue paper, I'm not sure, but I think this packaging, so one of very, so the seller is, you know very much advanced seller. What I can see is he has mastered in adeniums, he know his job, he knows about adeniums. Trust me, guys. you know After this box I order another pair of plants, so I will make another video, so stay tuned for that. So you can see this is arabicum, and the variety of this arabicum is yak saudi albiflora. So albiflora means its flower will be mostly white only, so that's why its name is albiflora. And okay, so it's been rolled with that paper, so it will take little bit of time to unwrap it, but the feeling is very nice. I was very excited about it when it will be arrived, and the courier guy messaged me. It was Sunday. He said me you have to pick it up. So this is Japanese giant. So first time I ordered from him, so that's why he given me this plant as a gift. So thanks to him, big shout out to him. I will ask him in the personally, like, can I add your contact details? And he has also a channel. Maybe you also already know him. And I will also ask him, should I mention you in the description if he allows. As I always, I will add every detail about that seller in my video description. This is Crispum, guys. Perfect carrot root. It is the most expensive one in this package. This is the most expensive one, and I like the carrot root. He showed me already. He will show you all the plants. If you like it, then he will send it. He also, if you want to connect with him, he will connect it. He is very responsive. Like, some seller are little bit of shady type, but he's not. He's very good. He know his stuff. Again, I am saying, but because packaging is so good, guys, I loved it. I got online plants from so many sellers. So also these plants are very expensive according to me, according to my budget. I also extended a little bit, and the way he packed it, I liked it so much that I ordered it again. I already told you, but I don't know why I'm again mentioning it. Also, I asked him about the soil media. He responded very quickly, and he also suggested me some fertilizer. So that thing also I ordered it, but this time he forgot to add it because uh, sometimes happen, guys. Yeah, everyone is human, right? So he sent me in the another package. So this one is Nova Tanzania, and you can see the roots. which is very what we can see fibrous, and it also have lot of branches coming out from the, you can see. Okay, the last one, guys, the big daddy of adeniums, and this is Socotrum, and it is very, 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 sapling size. So it's like looking so cute, right? But rest in peace. Why I have ordered it? Because till the time I'm making this video, it got rotten itself and it's dead now. I'm crying little bit because this was my first time to add rare species. So rest in peace, buddy. I have ordered Socotrum also, so I will show you guys other also, but these are very, fragile, because these are already very, very, like, in very, the sizes of these plants are already less, right? So that's why it is not easy to handle it. So no worries. So I had planted all this in very high draining media. So what I will tell you to, if you want to, like, I am not, pressuring you, you can follow me, subscribe, whatever you want to do. If you want to know the updates about this plant, how they behaved. So till now, this Japanese giant and this one, that Yak Saudi, these have lot of leaves now, but this Nova and the Crispum are taking time. So I'm not in hurry. I have given them in a proper shade. So if you like this video, subscribe if you want. No pressure. Okay. So I'm a big adenium head, guys. I have lot of adeniums and I have ordered lot of adenium also. So if you want to see other videos, so please stay tuned, guys. I will update more videos in coming weeks. I have lot of schedule, so that's why I'm not able to post it regularly, because this plant I got it in June. I'm making this video in, you can see it's already July, and um I have to manage time to make this video. So one thing I like about the packaging, it's very, very good condition. So Quadrum was little bit in firm condition and it was behaving good, but I don't know what happened. It's not survived. No worries. So you can see now the spotting. This is the Japanese. No, that was the Nova Tanzania. This is Socotrum. Is dead now. This is Crispum, carrot root, love. Top view of this, and this is the Yak Saudi flora, and this one is Japanese giant. Thank you.